How to use Strava offline. So Strava basically works on the basis of GPS and not more on the basis of Wi-Fi or cellular data. So you can use it either to keep your track even when you're offline. So what you can do are simple features like you can view the map near your area. So you can simply view the map near your area because it's like preloaded, and then make sure if it's preloaded first, of course, on Wi-Fi, then only you can view the map. Also, you can keep a track of your run, walk, or bike, your ride, up to a certain place where the map is loaded. So make sure it is loaded, so preloaded, so you'll be only be able to see the map up to that place where it's preloaded, and that's on the only path where which works offline. Also, you can view your strats while you are offline, or your activities, your progress while you're offline. So basically, that's the things you can do while you're offline. Hopefully, this video helps. Thank you. Also, sync once you are back to the Wi-Fi. So sync your activity once you're done with the offline things. So that will keep your progress as well. Hopefully, this video helps. Thank you.